So here I'm going to show you exactly how you can enter referral codes on Temu and then claim whatever that referral code is going to get you to. It's actually quite easy to do, but you want to make sure that you watch this full video so you don't miss out on any of the important steps. Also, if you find this tutorial helpful, then please be sure to subscribe to the channel as it really helps out. So the very first thing that we need to do is go ahead and click on the Temu app and then open it. Once you're in the Temu app, it's going to be this pop-up. Okay, once you're inside the Temu app, go ahead and click on the U button on the bottom. That's going to lead you over to this U section where you want to scroll down and click on settings. And if you haven't already, you want to make an account and have an actual account, or else you're not going to be able to enter referral codes. So go ahead and make an account. At the very top, it should say sign up/register. So go ahead and click on that. Now, also keep in mind, to use a referral code, you must be in the same country as whoever you got the referral code from. So let's say that your friend from US gave you a referral code, but you're from, let's say, the UK. You want to go ahead and change your country and region to the United States to whoever that person referred it from, or else the referral code is not going to work. So then once that has been done, go ahead and go back. Now you want to click on the categories button on the bottom left hand side, and then now you want to click on the search bar. So this is where you're going to enter in the referral code. I'm just going to enter in my own affiliate referral code, which is going to be INC13626. So you can actually enter this exact referral code as well and get rewards, but you do have to have your country as the United States. So then once you have entered in that referral code, simply click on the search bar. It's not going to work for me because it's literally my own referral code. I can't refer myself. But essentially, once that has been done, there's going to be a pop-up, and once you see the pop-up, just follow the instructions on the screen, and that's how you know that you have entered in your referral code and you're being able to get rewards on Temu.